So Kelly Hayes, just looking at outbound shipping, we're really constrained here. I think you've got a total of what, 5 doors that you can use with trucks in the entire Modesto facility?
The entire Modesto facility, we have 5 dock doors that we can utilize for loading and unloading goods.
Right. You've got a replen truck right now from Lathrop waiting out there because you can't unload it.
Yeah, or we will have multiple trucking companies lined up in the parking lot waiting for a dock door to pick up the freight that they're in for the day.
You got a little more room here, a few more dock doors than Modesto. Tell us about what you have.
Yeah, so we got a lot more room here in Manteca versus Modesto. So Modesto we had 5 dock doors total. So a lot more breathing room, a lot more staging room for outbound shipments to be prepared and exit the building.
And Kelly, the big difference here is we bring product in, we put it away once.
Correct.
And then we can replen it directly to the pick mod.
That is correct. So it's on a fast track to the pick mod. There's no inventory segregated by buildings. There's no transportation in between buildings. So it's really from a forklift in the rack to the picking location. The other really cool thing is we can actually put everything away from the dock and have it in a status that is blocked until QC completes their work, as opposed to leaving the entire shipment on the dock waiting for them to finish their piece. Now it goes and gets put away, and then once they're completed, we change the status to available, so that way we can get a jump start on getting the inventory into the rack where it needs to go. So V&A consists of a wire guide that's embedded in the concrete. Forklifts and equipment will actually come to an aisle. The user will turn on the identifier that allows them to get connected to the wire guidance through the electrical wire, and that will disable their steering capabilities. And so as they're operating down an aisle, they can only operate forwards and backwards and up and down to eliminate any turning within an aisle damaging any rack, which gives them the ability to move faster.
Angela Horton, Supervisor, Value Added Services, or VAS. VAS, some people call it. So Angela, would you tell everybody what we're doing now?
Yes, we've taken on extra people during the day, and we've also added a second shift at night to help us out with the extra workload.
One neat new thing that's happening for the VAS team is, as containers that you'll see behind me go to the packing stations, there's actually a line that will feed the VAS team their orders. So once things go through packing, they get diverted straight over the VAS area, and then they're right in front of them to be able to be sorted by customer, be sorted by account, and then be able to be worked on. So no longer having to manually transfer cartons and pallets from the packing area to VAS. Conveyor lines doing all that for us, so we save a lot of time in the sorting process.
I'm Kevin Penton, Director of the Custom Shop. We're standing here in Modesto, California at our Modesto facility. Right now we have this sluggish system trying to pull product from 15 miles away and get it here to Modesto. In the new building, we're going to be under one roof. We are working off machinery that's around 10 years old. It's seen its day. It's been well used and abused. In the new facility, we're going to be fully redundant. We're going to see 100% capacity gains, a new beginning.
So I'm here with Kevin Penton in the new and improved Manteca 511 Custom Shop. Kevin, you've got a lot more capability than you had in the past. You do all sorts of embellishment, from alterations, heat transfer, silk screen, embroidery, engraving. Wow.
Yes. Really what I'm most excited about, we're under one roof as one family. We've improved on automations through screen printing, alterations, embroidery, engraving. Everything is now networked.
Well, I think it's a great day in our history. We're watching some FBI National Academy logo wear, our embellished product, PT gear for the National Academy coming off the line.
Yep, it's our second day of screen printing, and it was appropriate that our first 3 runs were FBI runs.
Okay, we're wrapping up our visit to the 511 Operations Center here in Manteca, California. You've seen the before, now you've seen the after. You've seen the tremendous expansion we've created here to serve you better. We've got more than 60 workstations for customer service reps to take your orders, take care of any questions you have. So we are ready to help you grow your business. Thank you for your partnership, and remember, always be ready.